Hi. So what you're going to do is take a ring here from Dollar Tree, and you're going to cut it in half with any kind of knife here, and then you're going to use some tape to tape this part back together, okay? And then you're going to use a bath sponge here. You're going to look for the centerpiece. They usually have this here, and you're going to cut it like so. And then another option is if you can't find this in this color here, can't find this sponge, and you can see one of these sponges here, you can also use these here and get the same results. And once again, you just find the three little 1, 2, 3, 4, you cut those out like that, and then once you cut it out, you get a whole bunch of sponges, right? And you could throw this away or use this for something else. Alright, so let me show you how to put it on here. Now you just find the opening, and the only thing you're going to do with this is just slide it right through, okay? So you could get a whole bunch at one time as you want to, or you could just get a little bit at a time. It's up to you. But you're just going to find an opening here like that, and you're just going to feed it through. And once you get it real thick in here, then you're going to take a tape, any kind of tape, and wrap it up, and then you will cover it back up with your sponge. Alright, here we go. And you can also roll it all the way up into the sponge here, and then put it through the hole. It'd be quicker. So either one, you could just string it through like you just saw me, or you could just roll it all the way up into a ball here, and then just use your arm here and hold it, and then just pass it through. Okay? Okay, see? You see my hand is still in there in a circle, right? So I'm gonna release it, and now that's out like that. See? So you can do it that way also. And just keep going until you get it as thick as you want it to be. So on this wreath here, I'm going to use a fan. It's going to also go on my Diva. So I have total of 3 fans. I'm going to put 2 fans on top here. And what I mean about that is, what I did, I just staple it here, put both of them together, flat like that, and then I staple it right there. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to glue it down to the top here. Now you could lap this over like that to cover up the staples, okay? But I'm just showing you what I'm finna glue down, hot glue it, okay? So now it's gonna look like this. Be right back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some glitter just around her eyes here and here on her earring. And I'm going to just use some glue. And I'm just going to sprinkle. I'm going to let it sit for a second, but make sure it adheres to it. Same thing with the earring. I'm just going to go around it and apply some more glitter that I get from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so I put the glitter around. Now I took the marker and I outlined the outside to cover up the white part of the foam. And this is how it usually look. So you just take the marker and just go all the way around the edges. Okay, so with this one here, I took it off. So I am going to glue it to here to here. Okay, and I'll be. So she is all done. I hot glued the flower to the centerpiece, and she is looking gorgeous. And I, like I said, tied her down with 3. Will hold her very well. And you can use any of the hangers. You can get them from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this one here, and it's very easy. Only thing you have to do is just hook it onto her. Sorry for the noise. Because it's the round circle. Remember, it was green. You could touch it. You could feel it right here. You can just hook them on, okay? So choose whatever color you would like. and have a great time showing off your masterpiece. Once again, please hit that like button. Please tell a friend. Help me out to grow my channel. And it's a heart button below. Please, if you can, donate to this channel so I can bring you more contents. It's right by the share button. And once again, please hit that like, subscribe, but you could get notified when the next time I bring you another wreath, which I have one coming very soon. She's in the making. And thank you once again for coming. Have a good day or night and stay safe.